Stuck at one win in the conference. Next up, Friday night at home against Illinois. George Wallace, WTOP Sports.
This is a test of the Washington, D.C. Metropolitan Operational Area Emergency Alert System. This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast and cable stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If there's been an actual emergency, official messages will follow this alert tone. This concludes our test of the emergency alert system.
It's 10:48. We have traffic and weather on the 8s with Rita Kessler in the traffic center.
Well, you can listen to this podcast really anywhere you listen to podcasts. Also, accessmore.com.
What? Oh, no!
I'll protect the peach. Stand back. Oh, yeah.
Are these really,
This peach is growing on them.
Oh.
It's a mixture. I'm going to show you an apple here.
That's music of Telemann on classical WETA from the Banquet Music, a concerto grosso in F major with Musica Amphion, Peter Jan Belder conducting. Coming up, music of Clara Schumann, also Handel and Beethoven. The following is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. It's 11 o'clock. This is WETA 90.9 Washington, WGMS 89.1 Hagerstown. The music on classical WETA made...
I'm going to look like the Pillsbury Doughboy.
Give it up for my beautiful co-host. She looks beautiful. Yes.
Thank you, Norbert. I appreciate that. Where's Marco? Marco! He ain't say nothing. Sherry must have gotten him. All right. That's all right.
I know.
I'll wait for him.
Marco's not here, but I know who is here.
Who's here?
My wife is here. And I would, yes.
Oh, look at her.
I would say she's stalking me, but...